So let's see how chickens like pizza. I think that one was a win, but we have another one. Let's give that a shot. So we have a vegetarian pizza. Let's see how they go with this one. I don't know if they like vegetarian. I don't actually think they like this one. Let's see if I take it out of the box and put it on the lawn. So my chicken food challenge. A chicken pizza. Not too bad. Look, they're eating the pizza upside down if they can't see what it is. I guess they like the bread side of it. But the vegetarian side, I don't know. Tell you what, the chicken pizza, a winner. The vegetarian pizza, I'll let you guys decide whether you think this is yay or a nay.